was afraid to speak English until one small habit changed everything. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share a story from my heart. This is not just my story, it is the story of small steps, daily practice, and quiet dreams. It is the story of how I am learning English, one day at a time. So please listen carefully till the end. I live in a small town where life moves slowly. The streets are quiet in the morning and the air feels fresh. My house is small, but it is full of warmth and love. There are only 3 people in my family: my father, my mother, and me. We do not have many things, but we have something very important: support for each other. My father is a simple man with strong values. Every morning he wakes up before the sun and gets ready quietly so he does not disturb us. He works hard all day to give us a better life, and sometimes he comes home tired, but I have never seen him give up. He always tells me, "Success comes slowly, but it comes to those who never stop." My mother is the heart of our home. Her voice is soft, and her smile makes everything feel better. She cooks, cleans, and still finds time to sit with me. When I feel afraid or confused, she listens carefully and always says, "Do not rush, just take one step today." And her words give me peace and strength. My parents believe in education, and they tell me that knowledge can open doors anywhere in the world. They say English is not just a language, but a bridge to new opportunities, and that is why I take my studies seriously. I go to a small school near my house. It is not very modern, but it is full of hope. The classrooms are simple, and the playground is dusty, but we laugh a lot. My teachers are patient and kind. They never shame us for mistakes, and they teach us that mistakes mean we are trying. English is my favorite subject. At first, I was scared of it. The words felt strange, and my tongue felt heavy. But slowly, day by day, English started to feel like a friend. My English teacher always says, "Do not wait to be perfect. Speak now. Learn while speaking." Every day after school, I follow a small routine. I wash my hands, eat lunch, and rest for a few minutes. Then I sit at my table with my notebook. I read one short paragraph in English, write 5 new words, make small sentences, and read them aloud. Sometimes my voice shakes, but I continue. At night, I listen to English stories and videos, repeat sentences softly, and speak to myself in the mirror. I do not rush. I just try to be better than yesterday. My father often listens to me practice. He does not correct every mistake. He just smiles and says, "I am proud of you." And those words mean more to me than anything. Every week, I write my goals in English. Not big goals, just small ones. Read 1 page, write 1 paragraph, and speak for 5 minutes. And these small steps give me confidence. Some days are hard, and some days I feel tired and lazy, but I remind myself why I started. I want to speak English with confidence. I want to travel. I want to share my thoughts with the world, and I want my parents to smile when they hear me speak. One day, I dream of becoming an English teacher. I want to help others who feel afraid like I once did. I want to tell them, "You are not weak, you are learning." And I want to write stories that inspire people to believe in themselves. My dear friends, if you are listening to this and feel scared, please remember that you do not need talent and you do not need money. You only need consistency. Read a little, speak a little, and try every day, because if I can do it, you can do it too. Believe in small steps. Believe in yourself. Thank you for listening to my story. Keep